all of you in a good condition. In this beautiful day, we meet again. Nurmai Mawati, I am your English teacher. Today, we will discuss about descriptive text. Are you ready for the show? Come on, let's go to our classroom. Yuk, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Yeah, good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Okay, how is everything? You can unmute your voice.
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Oh, I'm fine too. Who is it? Oh, Ferry. I'm fine too, Ferry. Before we start the lesson, I have a good sentences to motivate you today. That is, do not afraid to make mistake in speaking and writing, especially in pronunciation and grammar. Because a person who never made a mistake never tried anything new. That's what Albert Einstein said, and that is a good sentences. So everyone, you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. That's a sentence to motivate you today. Never give up. I think we can start lesson now. I will call the roll first to check who is absent today. Yeah. Elvita Febrianti, Khalilur Rohmah. You can use reaction or use your thumb or just raise your hand. Riko Setiawan. Okay. Dimas Sapta. Aftar. Muhammad Zaki. Irfan Aziz. Afreza Ferdianto. This lesson, yeah. Okay, Citra. Could you please, Citra, lead your friend to pray together?
Class Let's pray together. Start. Finish.
Thank you, Citra. Okay, today class we will discuss about descriptive text. This is a new material for you, descriptive. Any one of you, do you know or do you still remember what is descriptive?
Descriptive text.
Description.
Description. Okay, what else?
Description.
To describe something in the specific.
Okay, thank you, Ferry. How about the others? What do you know about description?
Description.
Yeah. Yes? Describing something
Something.
that it can be describe a place, describe a person, or describe a thing. Jadi, there are three kind of descriptive text. Wait a minute, I will share my PowerPoint for you. Wait a minute. Okay, class, before we go to the next material, I hope all of you can watch and learn this video about descriptive text. Just take a look.
Okay. What do you think about this video?
Descriptive text first. Okay, from this competition, we have a basic competency that you have to know. That is about, the first one is analyze the social function, structure, and language feature of descriptive text. Next, I hope after you learning this material, you can arrange text description. Ya, jadi setelah mempelajari ini, diharapkan bisa menyelesaikan kompetensi-kompetensi. The purpose of description. The purpose of description. Student recognize the social function of description. The second one, to identify the social function, structure, and language feature. And the next, student can arrange descriptive text. Yeah, I have a picture for you. Wow. Do you know what picture it is?
I know.
Ya,
Borobudur Temple.
Borobudur Temple. Oke. Ya. Did you ever go there? Do you ever go there? And where is the location of the Borobudur Temple?
Magelang.
Magelang.
Jakarta.
Yogyakarta, Magelang. Ya. What is your What is your opinion about this temple?
That's so amazing.
So big.
Amazing, a big one. Okay, good. Beautiful, yes. What else? Yeah.
Very large.
Very large. Yeah, it is huge. Okay, next. I have the second picture. Do you know what it is?
Monas.
Monas. Have you ever go there? Did you ever go there?
Never.
Never. Next time. Okay.
Maybe next time.
Monas.
And where is the Monas?
In Jakarta.
Jakarta. Okay. What is your what is your opinion about this picture?
Tall.
Very high.
Tall. High.
Hike. Okay. Beautiful. What else?
White.
White. Yeah, the
White.
color is white. Okay. Can you describe it? Coba. Describe. Bisa about the Monas, Monumen Nasional. Can you describe it?
Maybe can.
Okay. Can you describe it, Bagus, Irwan? It's okay. Yes. May I know your describe your opinion about this?
Monas. Monas is in Jakarta.
Okay. What else?
The color is white and the what?
Right. Next. So I believe that all of you have understand and know about descriptive text, right?
Right.
Right. So the definition of descriptive text. The definition of descriptive text. Coba Citra. Coba dibaca. What is the description? The definition of the descriptive text?
Definition of descriptive text is a text that describes a particular person, place,
Describe
or
a particular
person, place,
person.
or thing, place, or thing, or carrot and which
now, yeah. Definition of descriptive text is a text that describes a particular person, place, something. That's what Garrett and Wignall said. Next, we have a social function or the purpose of this material. Jadi ada tujuannya. The first one, to describe or reveal a particular person or place or thing. The second one, to give information by describing its history, special characteristic, behavior, etc. Jadi ada tujuan dari deskriptif sendiri. The generic structure of the text. We have two generic structure in descriptive. Ada dua. The first one is identification. Identification is to identify a phenomena. We can find identification in the first paragraph. Identifikasi itu ada di paragraf pertama atau biasa kita sebut dengan paragraf pendahuluan untuk menuju ke paragraf berikutnya. Yang kedua, description. Jadi ada dua. We have two generic structure of descriptive text. The first one is identification. The second one is description. Description itself, it can be more than one paragraph. It can be 2 or maybe 3 paragraphs. It doesn't matter. Description itself is to describe parts, quantities, form, characteristic, anything related to the writer describe. Jadi yang menggambarkan deskripsinya itu ada di paragraf kedua dan mungkin ada ketiga juga. Jadi ada berapa tadi? So, how many generic structure in descriptive?
Two.
Two.
Yeah, good. Okay.
Two.
Two generic structure. Yeah. Bahasanya. The first one, specific participant. It has certain object, is not completely unique, only one. For example, Bandengan Beach, Borobudur Temple, dan sebagainya. Jadi harus ada spesifik partisipannya, objeknya. Yang kedua, coba dibaca Aftar.
Review feature of descriptive text.
Yang the second one.
Specific participant has a certain object, is not common and unique, only one. For example, Bandengan Beach, Maygots, Borobudur Temple, Uncle Jim.
Next. The use of
the adjective and adjective to clarify the noun. Clarify the noun. For example, a beautiful beach,
a handsome man,
the famous place in Jepara.
Okay, the third one, the use of
description.
The use of simple present tense. Ya. The simple present masih ingat ya rumusnya?
Yes.
Subject.
Verb object.
Okay, good job. The last is action verb. Action verb berarti we use verb 1 to make a descriptive text. I have a text, Prambanan Temple. Coba dibaca Ferry Ardia.
Prambanan Temple.
Read the text ya.
Okay. Prambanan Temple. Prambanan Temple, or also known as Lara Jonggrang Temple, is the large Hindu temple complex in Indonesia. It is precisely located in about 17 kilometer northeast of Yogyakarta City, Central Java. It was built in 9th century during the
During
reign of
the
during
region. Gak apa-apa saya
during the
betulkan.
reign of Sanjaya dynasty and
Dedicated
dedicated to the three main Hindu gods or Trimurti, Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva. Its greatness and magnificent actress magnificent center from around the globe every year.
Yeah, thank you very. Next.
You're welcome.
Yeah. This is a paragraph about Prambanan Temple. We can find the generic structure in the first paragraph. So, paragraf pertama di sini bisa berisi pendahuluan tentang objeknya, tentang apa, di mana, tempatnya untuk dideskripsikan. Second paragraph, Dian Vika, could you please read the text for me, Dian?
Yes. Prambanan Temple was built on a 4-square plan. Its plan is separated by 4 walls with 4
large
separated by walls
on
with
the
4
wall. Large eats
it on the middle as the entrance.
Okay.
The wall temple complex is divided into 3 major zones: the outer, middle, and inner zone. The outer zone is an open space and the bottommost terraces of the temple. The second area is the middle zone.
The second area is the middle zone where hundreds of small temples were standing. The last area in the inner zone, it is the holiest and highest terrace of the temple. There are 3 major temples of Shiva, Vishnu, and Brahma that are standing on the inner zone, together with 3 small temples of their animal vehicles. Their animal vehicle. Yeah, vehicle. Okay. The second paragraph is deskripsinya. Kan dari paragraf pertama yaitu tadi lama ini malah saya. So I have a colorful words about present tense, adjective, adverbial place, manner, time, and action verb. Atau di sini we call it language feature. Susunan bahasanya. Jadi ada yang berwarna merah. The red one is for present tense. The green one is adjective. The purple is adverbial place, indikasi waktu. And then the yellow one is you can see the green and the red, the purple, and the yellow one is indicate the simple present tense, adjective, and verb. Yeah, the green one adjective, the purple is adverbial place, the yellow one is action verb. Okay, this is yeah, time is up. Structure first. Structure of the text. How about in the first paragraph? It include identification or descriptive?
Identification.
Identification. How about the second one? Description-nya, ya. How about the language feature-nya? You can unmute your voice. Speakernya boleh di-unmute. Yeah. How about the language feature-nya? Okay, I guess I think the time is up. The text about Singapore. Who want to try to identify the generic structure? Who want to try?
I mean,
Okay.
oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Could you please show me the generic structure of the text?
For paragraph 1, that's introduce of place that Singapore.
Yeah.
Introduce Singapore. So paragraph 1 is identification.
Okay, good.
And paragraph 2, that's description of how many people and culture and the other. So paragraph 2 is description.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Ferry. Good job. How about the language feature? Any one of you want to try? Show me the language feature, Ferry.
Oh yeah, for language feature, their sentence use simple present tense.
Okay.
Example.
Where you can find the simple present tense?
Okay. Singapore is as large as Asia. This number 1.
Okay. Next.
Number 2, Singapore is long. And number 3, Singapore size is big. And Singapore is human. Okay, thank you, Miss. Just that. Sorry.
Yeah. Okay, nice try. Simple present tense. You have to remember that simple present tense is subject, verb 1, and object. Verb 1 is the point. Verbnya adalah verb 1. Iya. So if you want to know where is the simple present tense, the place of simple present tense, just find the verb 1 in each paragraph. For example, Singapore, the first one. Maybe we can find noun. Oh ya, simple present tense divided become 2 ya. Dibagi menjadi 2. Yang menggunakan verbal ya, verbal and nominal. Nominal we can find in this, not as big as. If you use nominal, so it is positively you use adjective. Kalau di sini adjective, where you can find adjective in the text? Give me the example of adjective from the text. Show me the adjective of the text. Citra? Angel? Yeah, small. And then what else?
Likely.
Yeah, apalagi what else? Big. Highly. What else? Ya, dari teks ini mana aja?
Singapore is famous.
Famous. Ya, what else? Ya, famous. Famous tadi. And then big, high. Yeah, and so many else. What else? The language feature-nya apalagi? So if I ask you to find descriptive of place, can you make it in a paragraph? I told you to find a descriptive of place. Have you done it in your book?
Have done.
Have done. Could you show me?
Okay.
In front of the camera.
Oh ya.
Sebentar, ini saya stop share-nya nih. Stop share-nya. Okay, show me your job. Bukunya bisa dibuka. Tunjukkan ke kamera. Tunjukkan ke saya yang lainnya. Ferry sudah masuk. Citra masuk. Yang lain? Where is the others? Show me. Ya, Alfi masuk. Irfan Aziz ya. Amanda oke. Elvita oke. Yang lain berarti belum? Indah, Camelia, oke. Oke, ya. Oke, enough. Oke, thank you. Good job. Okay, it's almost time to stop. What point we got today? Can you make a summary? Apa pertemuan hari ini, apa yang kita dapatkan?
We learn about descriptive task. What is descriptive task and purpose and structure and
what else? Oke, how about the others? Hari ini kita mempelajari apa sih deskriptif? Ferry sudah bagus. Good job, Ferry. How about the others? Citra, do you want to say something?
Tentang pengertian teks deskriptif,
Ya.
purpose,
Yes.
struktur,
Yes.
lecture.
Oke. How about the others? Ada yang lain mau mencoba menyampaikan pendapatnya? Oke, so, ada Anda nih. Okay, after this, I will give you an exercise in a Google form. I will share your link address after this learning. Please do it slowly and don't be in hurry. Gak usah keburu-buru, tapi harus diusahakan yang betul ya. Jadi alamat link nanti akan saya kirim sesudah pembelajaran berikut, termasuk juga.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, do you have any question? Do you have any question about this material?
I want to meet.
Okay, Ferry, what do you want to ask?
Don't permit, no ice.
Oh, yes, okay. Tell me.
After passing now, I will go to school.
Okay.
So, before I cannot.
Suaramu kok putus-putus, Fer. After this class, I want to go to school.
So I cannot
love you.
cannot do.
What do you want to say?
Nice.
Do you want to do next?
Yeah.
Any question? Any question about this material? So is everybody is clear? The paragraph, let me see. Could you please read it louder? Bisa dibaca?
My holiday. During the holiday at the and then I did vacation, then on vacation to Jakarta to the house of my grandmother's sister by bus transportation. That day, home at to the bus terminal in Jakarta. Incidentally, the ticket person pay my mother when it's 1, 2, 3. So in the passenger seat. I enjoyed my trip so much. Yet, I hope mother to include the text us.
Thank you, Indah, Camelia. Yeah, thank you. Good. No question about this material? If there is, okay, I will close this lesson today. I hope all of you can get the benefit and know more knowledge about descriptive text. Okay, guys. See you next time. For you all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
You can leave the Zoom right now.
Udah.